Hi everyone, this is Jimmy at SurvAid, and in this video we're going to have a look at the location sketch which is present in the PGM Manager and Manhole Inspection apps. Okay, I've got the Manhole Inspection app open here. The location sketch in this tends to be used to take a picture of the cover and show that where it is in relation to its surroundings. So it's got exactly the same component in the PGM Manager app and used for the same thing, take a picture of the marker and then show some distances to nearby landmarks with it that way. Let's have a look at how it works. So I will tap on the location sketch button. It'll ask me to rotate the device to landscape, which I'll do, and then it'll ask me to tap to take a photo, which will bring up the camera. Take the picture and then tap on use photo, and that will bring it into the diagram. Now down at the bottom left there's a compass arrow which moves as I move the device around, and in this state you can pan and zoom the photograph as well, then lock it in place with the padlock button at the top left hand corner. Now if I tap and hold on the central triangle, I can then move that to whatever the actual object that we're interested in is. If I tap on the arrow button, it will make an arrow come out of that triangle that I can move around by tap and holding my finger on the blue dot at the end of it. So put that one out there. I can add in a dashed line if I want to, which can be used for any particular purpose, but what happens a lot of the time is that it will be drawn to kind of emanate out from a landmark, and then we'll draw another arrow on the diagram to show a distance from the main object to that one. So I'll draw that round and then tap on the background, and now if we want we can add a label to the diagram which we can put in some dimensions on here. So tap on the label button at the top and enter some text, and once that's in place I can tap and hold my finger on that and drag it around and place it wherever I want to, and then let go and it's sat there. Now if we need to reposition the triangle at any point, we can just tap and hold on it again and move a finger around, and the arrows will reposition themselves to match up with it. So if I decide I want to add another arrow onto there, that's going to go up to this curb and then delete the one on the left. If I tap on the one on the left and make it active again, then the delete button appears at the top right hand corner of the screen. So I tap on that and then on the confirmation, and that's how you remove items from the diagram. If I tap on the padlock, I can unlock the device to get the compass to work again. I can hide the toolbar by tapping on the chevron at the top left, and again to show it again I can take a photograph again if I need to. I'm just going to cancel this one off, and that is everything. Just tap on the tick in the top right hand corner and that saves the diagram onto the phone, and then once you upload that to the web, it will be there present and correct when you log into the Survey web portal. To see it, you can tap on the location sketch button again, go back in, and it will be saved just as you left it if you need to make any changes to it. But that in a nutshell is how the location sketch works. It's just take a photograph, annotate some useful stuff over the top of it, saves you drawing out diagrams and what have you by hand. So hope that was useful. It's one of many diagram sketches in the Manhole Inspection app. I'll put links to videos to the other ones in there. Any questions, feel free to get in touch and give me a shout. More details on our help centre. Happy surveying.